Good morning. My name is Kimberly Holloway-Mays, and I am the parent facilitator here at the magnificent Cross Creek High School located in Augusta, Georgia, 30906. This morning, I have my favorite dish for the holidays, which is collard greens. The ingredients are smoked neck bones, turkey necks, and of course the collards. This is my favorite dish because it has plenty of meat in it, it is filling, and it's usually the most eaten at my house. The meal reminds me of my childhood and the wonderful memories of my grandmother preparing the collards. I watched her and I learned, and she did also teach me, yes. She made good everything. My favorite story is no one wants to eat the collards with the smoked neck bones in it, of course, because they are pork. They choose to eat the ones that I cook with the turkey necks. But usually, my favorite part is the ones with the pork are the first ones gone. It's just an enjoyable time of the year to be thankful for everything we've been blessed with.